Hi, fractions. Well, by definition, a fraction is a part or parts of a whole object. But before we explore fractions any further, let's take a look at how we write them. So if I have a whole bread and I separate the bread in two parts, well, the number of parts in which I separate my whole is called the denominator. If I split it in two parts, then my denominator will be 2. If another whole piece of bread is separated in 4 parts, my denominator will then be 4. Okay, so let's take half here. It is called a half. If I take one piece and I want to eat that one piece, this is called the numerator. I took one part of 2 parts. If I come on the right side and I am taking 2 pieces of the bread that was cut in 4 pieces, I am taking 2 parts out of 4. So, denominator is the number that represent how many parts your whole object was divided into. And remember, those parts need to be in equal size. You cannot split and having 2 parts that are not representing the same quantity. So equal parts. The numerator represent how many parts have you taken. So on the left side we took 1 piece out of the 2 available, and on the right side I took 2 pieces out of the 4 pieces available.